Your Majesty, you're about the evil beast. It's becoming a recurring decimal. Why not we consult our chief, who will profess solution to that?
I intend sending Ebube, the chief guard, to fetch me the palace seer, who will consult oracles and tell me the meaning of all this, and possibly where I have erred.
Your Majesty, I don't subscribe to this. You see, we have tradition and custom in this community. Our tradition and custom in this community, right from the ancestral days, has been to consult Mirioma, the goddess of peace, to guide us in all matters. Your Highness, the introduction of Palace Seer is alien to our culture.
Oh no, true. Your words are wise and they sink into the with a chill like that suits the heart. But don't forget, this same Palace Seer has helped in the past in this kingdom.
Your Majesty, he may have done what appears to be good, but we owe his antecedents and that of his lineage. Your Highness, what I see is evil shaded with good gestures.
Oh no, I don't want us to dwell on this matter for long. Please just get ready. Ebube will prepare the item, the consultations, so that both of you will go to Miriama.
It's all right, Your Highness. It's all right.
Ebube,
Your Highness.
go and get the item for consultation with him.
Yes, Your Highness.
Where are you going with your mates?
I am not a prisoner. I need to exercise myself, go round, see my subjects, and feel the splendor of the sweet breeze.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You better go with some guards who will fight when the beast comes out, instead of mates.
I am not afraid of the beast that exists only in your imagination. My hands are clean, and nothing of such will ever come my way. It is only the guilty that is afraid and not the innocent.
Interesting. You know, this your stubbornness will put you in trouble one day. Don't say I didn't warn you.
It is the evil of those people that commit atrocities which you protect with your power that will expose and get them into trouble one day. A pure dove like me fears no evil. Mates, follow me.
Akufese Odalawo.
Danger, danger, danger. I see danger, danger, danger. Evil is lurking, lurking, lurking. Evil is sprawling, sprawling, sprawling. Danger, danger, danger. I see danger, danger, danger. Evil is lurking.
Ma, come here. Where are you coming from?
Since you don't want me to learn any trade, won't you allow me to follow my heart?
Shut your mouth before I shut it permanently for you. You can never run away from your shadow.
Mother, please stop giving me those proverbs. I'm not a native.
Shut up, I said. That I let you the grace to dance does not warrant you to forget your root and your calling. Your destiny is to serve Miroma, the great goddess of peace. And my daughter, that is a great honor.
Mother, please stop this. This is why Ugo keeps calling me priestess.
Oh, she does? Oh, a wise daughter of a noble man. That means she is the chosen one.
What do you mean that she's the chosen one?
Never mind, my daughter. Go get yourself ready. I have feelings we'll be going to the stream today. Because evil looms in the air. Go and prepare.
I'm surprised that... Hey, Angole, Namaka, what do you say white beast killed my daughter now? How can you joke with a thing of that magnitude? Namaka, we were running in front. It was Angole and Namaka that were behind. She's the one that said the white beast. I didn't see any white beast. Of course, I saw it on her. But there's no sign of blood here now. Can't you see the marks? Can't you see the marks of the struggling on the ground? No sign of blood. Namaka, believe me, because I know. I saw it on her, believe me. What have you done to my daughter? I didn't do anything to her. She's my friend, I cannot do anything to her own friend. Hey! Chima! It's my daughter!
Nim, where's Nam?
Why are you agitated? It's only a recurrent dream. Yes.
A dream?
Yes.
Just a dream? The way the information came, it sounded like he slumped.
My son, you should know your responsibilities by now. You are an heir apparent to the throne. You should be beside your father all the time. Meanwhile, the recurring dream is not ordinary. It is a sign. Just go to your father's chamber and hear what he has to tell you. Okay?
What kind of...
Nam! Where's my father gone to? He left the door unlocked.
Did I?
Yes.
Maybe it is because of the urgency of the call. His Royal Highness sent for me, and he requested I should be at the palace urgently.
Was that why the prince was also sent for? What is going on there?
It is a palace matter, and I know very soon it will be resolved.
I am of the palace too. After all, I will become the future queen of this kingdom.
Let it be until then. Please, can you go and get me my food? I am very hungry now.
Call me queen.
This girl, go and get me my food. I am hungry.
Father, just call me queen.
Hey. All right. Queen, go and get me my food. I am hungry. Are you okay now?
Yes.
Hey.
I'm sorry, Father.
Well, I heard you. There's nothing absolutely wrong in you wanting to be with your future bride. But the point I'm making is that you should know that royalty is a noble fragrance that has weight.
I don't get it, Nam.
That's why you must stay closer to the throne, so that you will learn the ways of the elders and leadership.
Noted.
Good. As for the nightmares, I will handle it today.
Oh, greetings to you, my princess.
A noble man with a noble heart.
Nobility is a virtue that comes from a pure heart. And that is what you possess in a no mean measure.
You came to my house with royal entourage. Is the palace in need of the service of the great goddess?
My great priestess, yes. Ikuku, the evil bird, hoots at night. And the regal arm wants to prevent the deaths of infants in the land.
In that case, our destination shall be Eve, not here. We shall proceed at once.
That's all right.
Ma! Ma! Suspend your eating. We shall be at the stream immediately.
Danger, 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 I see danger.
Utobo, the only mortal standing on the hilltop observing mankind. Before you could trouble, Utobo, the only man with the strides of a tiger. I the Nambu, Donazu.
My queen, where are you heading to this woeful afternoon with your beautiful maidens?
I should be asking the palace where he is rushing to in this manner and making this beautiful afternoon woeful.
When the four cardinal points are in danger, the center trembles. Evil looms in the air.
Why is everyone talking of evil everywhere? Are you also afraid of the evil beast?
What beast? Not at all. Not Utobo, the only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. Utobo na abwenwe na elienwe. Makana mmale ebe enwe bu anu ulili, mmale ebe obu anu alụsị. Imposters are plotting evil in the land. Utobo will prevent them.
Well, that's your duty as the palace here. As for me, I am refreshing with the fresh air.
Oh, my queen. You may now proceed.
Why did you have to come?
I came because I'm worried. My father hurriedly asked me to prepare his meal. And then he quickly finished it and rushed out without telling me anything.
But I told you to never come here until we plan for it. Not like anybody's against our relationship, no. But they would begin to see it as a distraction to me.
I know, my love. But do you expect me to keep calm in all of this turmoil? Without speak well of the future queen of this great kingdom? Please, my love, please tell me. What is going on? Is the king alright?
It's nothing serious. Just a recurring dream of the king. But it's been tackled. I guess that's why your father was in that much hurry.
Now that at least I have a clue, is it not better than keeping me worried?
Ugom. Come. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me.
I know.
And I thank the gods for bringing you my way.
I thank the gods too. Don't keep me worried again.
Nah.
Miroma has accepted the sacrifice and has spoken.
That is good. That is very good. Okay. What did she say?
No. Don't be in a hurry. For what she said is not palatable to the ears. An unpardonable evil is being committed in the palace. And if that evil hand is not cut off, it will consume the throne.
My priestess, you don't have the reputation of hiding such matters of the gods from men. Why do you have to start learning left-handedness at old age?
Huh? Ometalubulu. Iboya metako eji sebu. Even namara ya maram. Oh no. Come closer. For the matter is not for all ears.
Abomination! Is that possible? Huh?
Mirama Menudo.
Hey, young man, where are you running to? You are running like a senseless man with that direction.
Sorry, wise one. It's the two-headed beast. I think it might have killed my friend.
How?
The beast appeared and I ran off. I don't know why he stood. Please save my friend, wise one.
You must be stupid. Eh? You saw the beast and ran off. Your friend saw the beast and stood. You now want me to go and save somebody who feels he's strong enough to stand before the dreaded beast. Eh? If I am that beast, I will devour him. Even a piece of his meat will not be found.
Wise one.
Nonsense.
Wise one, Biko, save my friend, wise one.
Onu will speak. Honestly, Onu, if I had not known you for ages, I would have said... Then say something.
Don't be offended.
It's just that the words are too heavy to voice out. Okay. Is it because of the guards? Maybe I should ask them to excuse us.
Maybe I should have done what the priestess did.
It is fear that will kill you in this life. Ah! Come here, my friend.
How did it happen?
How did what happen?
How did you escape the beast without even a scratch?
Amy, because I am not lily-livered like you. I am a man and not a boy.
Tell me what transpired and stop bragging.
Well, this is actually what happened.
I now fear you. Where did you learn those tricks from?
Tricks? I didn't do any tricks. I only baited in the great Mirama stream.
Luchi, what are you talking about? Who doesn't bait or swim at Mirama stream?
My friend, not as you think, okay? The great Ugoloma will have to guide you. Alright? My friend, stop moping. Listen, when you're ready to be a man, I will know. But for now, let's go. By the way, where's your machete?
I don't even know where it's at.
Amen. And you call yourself a
What's Naija now we see? Obondo susu ono. Obondo anamunaka. Who is this young man that is not afraid of the terror of the terrible monster? Utobo, the only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. I will want to know where he got to know the secret of the double-headed beasts. I must know. As no osisi toro ogologo, mana enwere osisi ka ibie, ka a na-akpọ osisi ka nkwụ. Agbọ niile toro ogologo, mana enwere eke nwọfịa. Ka ịkụchala ogene ikụlụ ogene n'ebe ruo okwe mba ọkwa na anyị nwere anyị nọrọ n'ụlọ ihe anyị na-eme a na-azụ ka ahịa ka anyị na-ezie mmọnwụ maka na mma egosi gị ihe melụ ike nwaanyị ji wee nwee oghere na-abụ
What are you thinking about? Amy, don't tell me it has anything to do with the beast.
It has everything to do with it. You think everybody is from the lineage of hunters like you? You just heard it killed Amaka.
Amaka's case is different, Amy. There is no proof that she died. No trace at all. No one saw her corpse.
What really happened between you and the beast? Rather, you were the one that terrorized it.
Well, that's actually the benefits of being a descendant of hunters. You know, I'm actually thinking of going back to hunting instead of this firewood trade.
You can't possibly do that. Who will be my companion?
Amy, you better start looking for one now, or you come and join me. Because you see, this hunting business, it is very lucrative. So start thinking of what to do next. You know Choma is not around. I have to go inside and make something for us to eat.
Okay, no problem.
Your Majesty, it is late. It is unwise you remain here in light of your current disposition.
It is that same disposition that has kept me here. There is trouble in the palace and in the kingdom. Where do you expect me to end sleep from?
I understand, my king. I deeply understand. But for security reasons, I suggest you retire to your chamber.
Grief has stolen sleep from me. Ebube,
my king,
go back to your duty post. Nothing can terrify me more than what I bear at the moment.
Yes, my king.
Igwe! My husband. Let's go. The bed is set.
Woman, leave me alone. You ought to have slept by now.
Leave you what? Leave you what? Why would I leave you alone? I won't leave you alone because I cannot sleep alone. After all, this night is rightfully my turn to be with you. You can't deny me my conjugal rights, oh. You cannot, Igwe. Let's go.
Olama, get out of my presence. Now!
Come on, first me. Let's go. Together. This night, I will stand here and you follow me. Till you follow me.
Guards! My king.
Don't you dare take a step close to me. You fool. I'm not here. Bata. Easy. Ewu. Apoge bata.
Your Majesty, I don't think this should be a thing of surprise to you that your first wife has been indulging in adultery. It should not even make you to lose sleep.
Wise one, do you know what you're talking about? Huh? Do you know the enormity of the offense committed? Do you know the kind of punishment that comes with it?
Igwe, bakoni ya wafuni, bakoni ya wafi funa fropom. Eh? Nenu buku ngokwe nubu banya abro na ya febuka. Kama no maki haneme. I know that it is banishment. Banishment from the land for all concerned. But Your Majesty, this should rather serve as a relief to you that an evil woman who would have ruined your life or would have caused you death is to be ostracized from the land. Igbo.
So wait a minute. Do you understand that we are talking about one of my wives here? Who would have believed that such an offense would be committed in this land? Not to talk of my wife being the one.
Igwe, I'm still surprised that you don't know what's going on between Ono and your first wife.
I take an exception to that accusation. Do you know the gravity of what you just vomited from your mouth? Wise one?
Igwe, and when I daka mwekwe no fu aruma na fa buru fu ano. Eh? Igwe, akwana mu nwa wo utobo. Utobo ku na enugwu na eche ogbo ya. Eh? Ana m agbo enwe na eri enwe. Maka na mmala ebe enwe wa ano. Mmala ebe enwe wa ano alusi. I am ready to bear all the consequences.
So be it.
Standing on the hill and observing mankind.
Tell me it is not true.
What is not true, my king? Have you forgotten that the king of Umosore does not shed tears?
What gain are those trifles when I'm about to lose everything that I own, including my life?
Don't say that, my conquering lion. What is this that so ail you?
Tell me it is not true that Unowu Gonapo has gathered knowledge of you.
Oya chiputa go bambaleziwa. Ebele nemelu mo kuko. Ebele nemelu mo kuko. Okuko mutanwa ewe iburu. Ewe mutanwa. So, nkabukwana gini. What is amusing you girls? And why are you standing here? Come on, will you get her from this place? Ndiara. Eziaku bezu baka mbosu baka ga-eme ka ife oya chiputa go pambara eziwa ebele na-emelu ma ọkụkọ ebele na-emelu ma ọkụkọ akụkọ mụta nwa egbe eburu egbe mụta nwa ofe ya libe Eziaku bezu baka. Stop it.
But that's the truth. I'm speaking the truth.
I know you, but I'm still shy. I
You know. Well, you're not the one who always calls her sisters. Maybe she has decided to meet up to her destiny.
But we agreed to meet here today. Maybe I should go check them.
Are you tired of staying with me already?
Oh my love, how can you say that?
You want to go. Why would you want to?
onye nyere amụsụ ma ọ gụtarịa ndị amụsụ iwelu nka maja anya tụnye ya n'anya na amụsụ ahụ enyere ya pụọ ị na-anụ o metal bulu ibe onye metal ya welisi abu ibe na mara ya marom o metal bulu my daughter this is a bad omen somebody has committed sacrilege let us go yes
Hey! The secret is finally coming out. The wind has finally blown. And we have seen the rump of the fowl. Ezio.
Father, what did you do to mother? I should be asking, what did your mother do to us?
What did you do to mother that has left her in so much pain she can't utter a word except groaning?
Oh, she did not tell you. She did not tell you that she was having an immoral affair with you.
Who uttered such evil from his or her mouth?
My son, the man who said it is not too far from you. Utobo said it all.
That's why. And you believed him?
Why won't I believe him?
You believe that miserable human being?
Why won't I believe him? At least now I know who my true allies are. When do you know we returned with a message from Miriama? He never mentioned he was the culprit. I was even thinking it was my younger wife who...
No. I thank the gods that you are the first I am seeing here. I hope that swine is still in the palace.
It depends on who you're referring to, no.
Who else will I refer to as a swine? If not the gods forbidden viper who wants your mother ostracized out of this land just because he wants his evil deeds to be hidden.
No, I'm getting confused. Everyone is getting me confused.
There is no need for that. Make your mind intact and fight the battle because you are the actual target of your enemy. Go to Ugoloma. Tell her that the smell of the stew is about to fill the air. And I will go to your father and face him for betraying a friendship that is over 40 years by believing that gluttonous imposture. Go. Go, for a poisonous snake has hatched its eggs in dry trash. Go.
My love. What is going on? Why is everyone acting strange and keeping mute?
Please, my love. I want you to stay away from this madness. Okay? This is palace private matter.
I am part and parcel of the palace by implication. So I am part of the privacy.
I know, my love, but I just want you to go back home. Go home. I have an important message to deliver to Ugoloma now. And I will tell you as much as you can know when I return. Please.
My love, what do you mean by as much as I can know? Are you now hiding something from me?
It's not what you think. Trust me and believe me, please. Just go back. I'll tell you everything.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Right, yeah. I'll let you know when I'm back.
Never mentioned who the culprits were.
I never did, because I know the culture. And I understand what respect for royalty and friendship is. Your Majesty, I am totally disappointed that you threw lifetime relationship into the mud because of the false accusation of a swine who feeds fat on you.
The same man you called names has proved to be more noble than a friend who smiles in my presence and then stabs me in the back. No wonder. It is clearer to me now why you stick so close to the throne.
I thought you are under the influence of his charm. I confirm that his poisonous venom has taken hold of your wit and discretion as a king. You know the tradition bequeathed to you by your ancestors. We shall meet at Ogugu Shrine.
You dare drag me to Ogugu Shrine to swear? You threaten my throne?
If you threw caution overboard and believed that miscreant, and without confirmation, you sent your guard to come and use those despicable words in my presence. The only solution to this is going to take the oath.
So, you have the nerves to walk into this palace after the abomination you committed.
This Jew thinks itself a rat, but does not know that its order gives it out. The only message or words I have for you is that the dance you engaged in is the dance of the spirit.
Oh no, this is not a matter of proverbs. You will be banished from this land. I assure you. Why did you let that swine walk out of this palace without getting him apprehended?
Leadership matters are not your responsibility. So shut yourself out of it.
I knew it. I said it. I knew you were never going to do something about this. Because it concerns your favorite, our most precious wife. If it was Olama now, the entire palace would have gone agog by now. And now you're trying to cover them up, Igwe.
Olama, spare me all this drama. There's no proof of the allegation.
What? No proof? Utobo the palace seer said it. And he had never lied to you before.
Well, if it must interest you to know, the Onowu has called for an oath of innocence at Ogugu Shrine. And everybody must be ready to go there, including yourself.
He did? Why would he,
You should answer the question yourself.
My prince, fear not, for I am not a fool.
Great priestess of the great goddess, I was just on my way to your house.
I know. But my prince, I want you to know that the offensive order of the shrew can never pollute the soap prepared by Chokiki. You are a prodigy of mystery. So the hands of the gods are with you.
Great priestess, today has been the most confusing day all my life. Everybody I've met since morning has left me more confused than I met them.
My prince, That is the beginning of your journey into destiny. You must not leave your mother's side. And don't forget to go with Ugo. For the gods will be with you.
Father, what is going on in the palace? You have been running up and down since yesterday. And besides, it's been long I saw you last do this in the compound. Father, is there any problem?
There is problem, my daughter.
Hey!
There is. But not to the direction that your mind is going to. You see, my daughter, Ikwikwi, the evil bird, has perched on Rega's arm, and it is capable of consuming the entire land, not only the palace.
Father, you are scaring me. You're scaring me.
You don't need to be scared, my daughter. You don't need to be scared. Listen, Shokike, the creator of the land, knows how to savage it. You must always stand by the prince, no matter what.
Hey, Father, you are scaring me the more. What do you mean by I should stand by the prince?
You will soon understand. Get me a cup of water.
Your Majesty, when the 4 cardinal points are in danger, the center trembles. Utobo is with you. Utobo, the only mortal standing on the hilltop observing mankind. Why are you fidgeting like a May man? Is it because of that which I call an empty threat from that hypocrite that is throwing you off balance? Or are you afraid because of the oath of innocence?
Yes, I am. Because I don't know who to trust anymore.
Your Majesty, why would you say such a thing? Do you know that the weakness of a mother hen exposes her chicks to danger? And it takes more than trust from the hawk to know the weakness of a mother hen. If what I'm saying is not the truth, why hasn't Her Majesty done anything? Rather, she is hiding in shame.
I have not done this because you have not been here. How dare you?
Isiako!
How dare you smear my name with charcoal just to cover up your evil? You think we don't know about your escapades? Or is it because I chose to say my lips?
Your Majesty, it is only a woman without good upbringing that runs in the presence of a man, not to talk of a responsible man like Utobo. Tell her to be careful, please.
Don't mention my name.
Isiako.
Since you chose to believe this contract, over a man that is old enough to give you an heir like Ikenna, then you don't deserve this. But I bet you that which you crave for, you shall see.
Can't you
Utobo, leave my palace. Leave my palace before I lose it.
You will.
Guards!
King. Why you?
Your Majesty.
I will get it out. The spike of the porcupine should not deceive it to challenge a leopard to a fight.
That your proverb would not save you from the impending calamity that awaits you. Even your toothless husband cannot prevent that.
You may think you have succeeded, but you cannot fool the gods.
The gods have taken sides. That is why someone has been indoors wetting the entire floor with her tears.
We shall see who laughs last.
There's no point waiting for the last laugh, because the gods have judged you. Banishment awaits you.
Amy, what is the laughter for?
I thought you said you won't go fetching firewood again. I knew it. I knew you can't stand my absence and the fun in fetching firewood.
That is what you're saying. Amy, that is what you're saying. No problem. No problem. We'll see who will miss each other. No problems. No. Amy, don't worry.
Nilochi, my friend, but I've apologized now. I was only catching fun.
See, I said I was going to go into hunting, but not immediately. But because of what you said now, I will go. After all, my gun is still intact.
Evil is lurking. Evil is sprawling.
How dare you lay your filthy hands on me, you adulterous woman?
Out of my way, you grave destined glutton. I will do that again if you remain alive.
You dare me, Utobo, the only mortal on the hilltop, observing mankind. We shall see who is grave destined. Onye sini ilomo ejuneji aga no gwadroma. Anya agwa ire merike mwanya jimwogere na abo.
Danger, I see danger. Lurking. Evil is sprawling. Danger.
No one knows the secret of Utobo and lives to tell it. Obondu kwala monaka.
Yes? What happened to you, mother? Talk to me, please. Mother! Mother! Somebody help me! Mother, no, you... Mother! Where's around?
Your Majesty, Igwe! Igwe! Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
What is it?
Your Majesty. It's Her Majesty.
What happened to her? What did she do again?
She did nothing. But Igwe, something terrible happened to Her Majesty.
What?
The beast that appears in your dream appeared in the physical and devoured her.
What?
I saw her corpse on my way going home.
Where?
Father! Father, we need to go help Mother. She's lying helpless.
I said it. I saw her corpse, Igwe.
Whose corpse? She's not dead. I met her alive.
Is she still alive?
Hey, Utobo, cut off all this rubbish, Utobo. Let's go to the palace.
Let's go. I saw her here, I'm sure.
This is exactly where I met her corpse.
Can someone tell me exactly what is going on here?
Father, I saw Mother lying on this floor, gasping for breath. I ran towards her, took her in my hands. You can see the blood on the floor. When will she come out of the palace unaccompanied by any guard?
My prince, she left with Chikwado, her guards, her personal guard. Then why is he not here? Why didn't he come back to report? Now, take some other guys and go and look for them everywhere. Search everywhere. Look for Chikwado. And then send someone to get me the town crier. Quickly. Follow me.
Mother.
This issue should not get you worked up. Eh? When I was saying this yesterday, it was as if...
Utobo, what exactly is your point?
The point I am trying to make, Igwe, is that the beast that was appearing in your dream might be the agent of the gods. And the gods have decided to attack the culprit, leaving the innocent.
Why only the queen? And nothing happened to her partner in crime?
Greetings, my king.
Yes. Did you see him?
We saw Chukwado's spear by the pool of his blood.
Pool of his blood?
Yes, my king.
Now, you have to go and search more before I institute a wider search. Go immediately.
Okay, my king.
Yes, Utobo. You said it is the work of the gods.
Yes.
So how come the innocent is now being affected?
Your Majesty, you are referring to Her Majesty's personal guard. Hey! What if he's aware of what has been going on and he sealed his lips? The gods are aware and get... One plus one equal 2. What I'm trying to say is that he could be aware and the gods have... let me equally go back and consult with the gods so that I will know...
So now you know how to consult the gods before you talk. But you didn't know how to consult the gods before you said what is now tearing the kingdom apart. Listen, Utobo. I need to go and take some rest in my chamber.
Igwe, you really need to rest. You need to rest. Let me I need to make consultation. Okay? Before I say anything, the gods must be consulted.
Masinachi, leave whatever you're doing and follow me. The battle is more fierce than I thought.
Mother, I have not eaten because I'm waiting for you. I have not even waited.
Masinachi, the beautiful things of this life come from the gods, and that is your name. Follow me. I need to beautify you before it is too late.
Mother,
follow your mother, Masinachi. Get up!
Ukolama, Ukolama.
Come here.
Oh.
I'm really scared though.
What are you scared of? Eh? What exactly are you scared of? The palace is deserted. They all went in search of that evil corpse. So there is no one around. Even if he wants to send any guy to come and call you, if he wants to see you, there is nobody to send.
But that makes it more dangerous.
How?
What if he comes here by himself?
No, don't worry yourself. You should understand that he's in sorrow. Eh? He's mourning the departure of that evil woman. What should be troubling you isn't what is troubling you, or can't you see that he doesn't love you?
How?
Hey, Najum, how? Were you the one involved? Would he have batted an eyelid? He grieves for the one he loves. Eh? Let's do this now. Eh? Come here. Come closer.
Let's not do this now.
Oh, my queen, this is the best time we have for each other. Eh? When do you think is better for us to do this? Is it not now? Don't you know it's a mockery for a man to be standing with his manhood, facing a woman whose legs are open yet no passage? Oh my God, then, eh? Ke kampagidi yesi pulo to me afunu zo yesi banya. Ne bolo mi fa o. Bokani fa. Bonya ko Jesu anyaro. Bolo mi fa, boy fa.
Olama.
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Did you by any chance see my son, the prince?
Yes, no. I think he followed the guards to search for the corpse of that is evil one.
Don't you dare! Don't you ever use such words with me. In fact, we need to talk. Let's go to your chamber.
No.
Is there anything wrong in going to your chamber?
No, Your Majesty. No, nothing. It's just that I don't remember when last Your Majesty asked to visit my chamber.
Oh, well, now I have requested to go to your chamber, so can we go?
This is not happening. Hi, Uwejiago. Uwejianago.
Anyway, I will visit this again. Let me go and take care of some of them.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Why is your face so gloomy and you are vibrating in fear?
What is wrong with you? We were almost caught and you're here, acting as if nothing happened.
What would have happened? Eh? Utobo is in charge. You should not be afraid. I am in charge.
You know what? Leave.
What did you just say?
You have to go now before things get worse.
You are talking to Utobo. Are you actually asking me to leave your chamber?
That is exactly what I am doing. Leave. Do you want me to scream?
Should I? Hey, no, you don't need to do that. I know you are not the one talking. Hey.
I said you should leave.
Oh yeah.
Did you say you met her alive?
Yes or no? I was surprised when we returned there. She was nowhere to be found.
Hey! Utobo. I know you are the masquerade behind the mask. But very soon you will be unmasked. Wait a minute. Did you say she struggled to say something but she could not?
Yes or no? Her mouth was quivering. She was about saying something,
okay,
but...
That's all right. That's all right. Hold on here. Let me get to somewhere. I will be back very soon. Yes.
Right. No, Father, please, Father, stay back. Please, I don't want anything to happen to you.
If I have to die now, I have not died an early death. I must have to do something. Something needful. Because I don't want what happens to the head to happen to the tail.
Father, please don't go. Don't go. Father, please don't go.
Let him go. He's a strong man. Nothing will happen to him.
Obali ebugi bu onwe. Onye isi gị na wava, ya weli nke ya chụọ aja. Egbe belu ugo belu nke si bi ebe nkukwa ya. Ọchụ nwa ọkụkụ nwa ada nwa ọkụkụ nwe ọsọ. Ibe onye mete ya weli isi ebu. Mma. Open your mouth. Now, I have transferred all my powers to you. Except I have to accomplish something first before I hand that one over to you. Wait a moment. I'll be back to complete the ritual. But know it from today that no mortal can bring you down. I'll be back. Meanwhile, Miriama the efficacious goddess will be with you.
How dare you cross my path, you evil witch?
The bad and the ugly are always in a hurry to call people names. With their weak philosophy that attack is the best form of defense. But purity is not scared of death. How dare you lay your fleshy hands on an innocent mortal?
What business of yours is it? What business of yours is it? This is how you go about meddling on other people's issues that is not of your concern. Why are you telling me?
Everything that has to do with Miloma the great goddess concerns me because I am her oracle.
Golamoya no kwano da banajeleja. Metigo banajeleja. Asina enwe adaka nwele ofu arụ. Mana ama m na enwe nwele ọwale ya. Maka na ọkwa na m nwa bụ utobo kwunu ugwu na-eche ọkpụ ya. Amala m ebe enwe bụ anụ oriri. Mala ebe enwe bụ anụ alụsị. Maka na ọkwa na utobo na-agba enwe. Ebe si na ntị ayara anụghị iwe. Ma agwa gị na onye sịrị na ile ọma eju na-eji aka n'ogwu adịrọ mma. Utobo ya akụzi iwe kpatara ike nwanya ji oghere na-abụọ.
That evil beast. It might be attacking someone. Come, let's go after it.
Go after what? What do you?
Listen. It might be attacking someone you know. Let's go.
What kind of useless and fruitless search is this now? Come, let's go and carry our firewood back home.
Amy, you call this useless because the beast has not attacked anyone related to you.
Look at the distance we've covered now, Yochi. Come, let's go back home.
The way back home is wide open and you know your way. But for me, I will stay here and I'll search out for that beast.
Is that what you're saying? Because you know I've not learned the tricks to ward it off, right? It's you that I follow to this distance, so we must live together, whether you like it or not.
So you are afraid of death?
You're scared of death. And you advocate that we leave this beast to be causing mayhem. Me, I'm looking for the beast.
Danger, danger, danger. I see danger. Evil is lurking, lurking. Evil is sprawling.
Ugolama!
Danger, danger.
Masinachi! Masinachi! Masinachi!
Welcome to the phone. Welcome to the phone. Come. Oh, I'm so happy.
Chimo.
It's okay, please calm
Chimo.
down. Calm down.
Who have I offended? Who have I offended? Why would the gods allow such things to happen to me?
It's okay.
No more.
Take heart.
Chimo. Chimo.
Namaka, did you hear? The beast that killed Amaka yesterday has killed his senior Lola, her personal guard.
What is happening in this our village?
I met some of the guards on my way, and they're in search of their corpses.
This is terrible. Does it mean that it kills them and carries their bodies away?
Exactly.
Hey.
If it is true that the bodies are being carried away, that That means the gods must be involved.
I don't think so. I don't
Something
think so.
like that.
Who has offended the gods in our land?
No.
Hey!
Ask me, will I ask?
Now it has affected royalty. I know that the warriors will be sent to hunt that wild beast down. I know our warriors. They won't rest until that beast is captured or even killed.
Seriously, my heart is throbbing. I really do not like the fact that my father is exposing himself to that mysterious beast, knowing that he's also a prime target. I mean, this is a mysterious beast we're talking about.
I know. But you need to get a grip on yourself. Do you think your father is an easy prey any hawk can just whisk away like that? Your father is also mysterious. The title and position of your Nowu is a mysterious one. So just pull yourself together and believe he'll come back in one piece, okay?
Thank you. Uju, come back. Have you observed what has been going on in this palace?
Yes, my friend.
So what does that tell you?
That there is danger.
Shut up. I am danger. It means that I am the one calling the shots now. You have to use your head and be smart. I will promote you to something more dignifying when things settle down. But you have to open your ears and eyes to watch the happenings in this palace. I don't trust the prince. Keep an eye on him. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, my queen.
I sent your mate off because I prefer you to be the one with me now. Anything you hear from anybody against me or the palace seer, do not hesitate to let me know. Uju, power is changing hands, so better be wise and join the winning team.
Thank you so much, my queen. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Go and drop the keg. You will escort me to somewhere now.
Okay, my friend.
Got on anja, it got on anja, it got on ajife. Obumadu, it got on anja, it got on anja.
See what I was telling you? Are you not happy now? I'm happy. As it is right now, you are invisible.
Greetings to you, greatest priestess of Miriam, and to you, her amiable daughter. Greetings to both of you.
Oh no, do you have to trace us to this friend? All the same, greetings to you too.
Thank you very much.
I greet you, Nai.
Thank you very much, my daughter. My priestess. The water in the pot has swallowed a pregnant woman. And the hen has gone to roast at dawn.
I'm aware of that. But there's no need for you to speak in program. Because my daughter, Masinachi here, is now a vessel of the gods. So there's nothing for you to be afraid of.
Oh, I am glad to hear this, my priestess. That I am still weighed down with a great body.
Miriam, the great goddess of Umuso, is aware of everything. Whatever the Chokike chooses to allow, no mortal can stop it.
My priestess, the corpses of the queen and her guard
are also missing.
Oh no, who gonna have? Secrets kept by the gods can never be unveiled by any mortal. It's only the gods that can explain what happened to those bodies. All the same, I mourn with the royal family.
I didn't know you had seen me.
Don't do that again. It's only the evil that runs when nothing pursues it. I sense quietness. The palace is ostensibly quiet today. I'm sure you are glad about that.
No, not exactly. The priestess of Miriama, no.
Really?
Yes.
I thought you prefer the serenity. Go ahead to where you were going. Mana matakwa. Okuko nwaro anachubi also. It's when they fire of heart that the ground pursues it. Miriama. Mira. Your Majesty, your silence suggests you have no answer to any of my questions. And that is an insult to royalty and nobility. Igwe, the blood of the queen is on your hands.
How can you say such a thing, priestess of great Miriama?
Igwe anyị ye ife nọ na mkpu. Igwe anyị ye ife nọ na mkpu. Ife nọ na mkpu. Ife nọ na mkpu ye kpọnụ ya. Ife nọ na mkpu. Ife nọ na mkpu ye kpọnụ ya. Ikuku na-abịa. Anya mara ezi osi abịa. Echi dị ime anya mara ive ọya mụ. Igwe anyị ye ive nọ na mkpu. Oh! You finally broke the silence. When a man the gods entrusted with responsibilities has been swayed by the craftiness of his enemies, he loses the support of the gods. You have scooped a scorpion into your bosom. And Igwe, the scorpion must sting you.
Priestess of great Miriama, your presence in my present predicament should bring me some level of relief. But instead, it compounds it the more.
You are the architect of your misfortune. So deal with it. You are the highest authority in Umosoro. Employ your powers to your defense. But as you do that, remember that you shall give account of the blood of the queen to the gods.
Greetings, my king.
Aha, Ebube. Any success?
My king, it has been a very success. Yes, but I'm sorry to say nothing positive came out of it.
Did you people search all the nooks and crannies of the land?
Yes, my king. The search team did their best. But the only news we heard relating to this is that the beast attacked the palace here.
Are you sure of what you're telling?
Yes, my king.
Is he dead too?
No. Eluchi and Ime say that he has bones all over his body.
Utobo with bones all over his body?
Yes, my king.
Oh, be sure of what you're saying.
I'm very sure, my king.
Anyway, ask one of the guards to go and call Onowu for me. Quickly.
This path can only lead to the house of one man, Utobo. The only mortal standing on the hilltop observing mankind. I want to believe you on your way to his house. But why in the company of your maid?
Utobo, that's not the best way to welcome someone's way. My maid, I brought her because I trust her, and she is now on my side.
You must be very careful. The only woman that knows where her husband is every night is a widow. She must excuse us. Yes. The battle is getting hotter. Tubo is enjoying it because I am equal to it. What is it that troubles you, my love?
I came to find out what your plans are about the oath of innocence. Because I saw Ugoloma at the palace just now. I maid, I brought her for you to blame her, so that she can be fully loyal to me.
Oath of innocence. Which oath of innocence are you talking about? The death of Ezeako truncated that process. It truncated that. My love, don't be afraid. Just don't bother yourself.
No, I'm talking about Onowu. He is still alive. Why not make the gods kill him?
My love, as I said, don't bother yourself. Don't be afraid. The gods are going to take care of everything at their own time. Now, you said you want your maid to undergo the oath of secrecy.
Yes. I need her to be loyal to me. I need her to inform me about the goings in the palace. Anyone that breaks, she should tell me. I need to know. Because I trust no one.
Command her presence before us.
Fine. Uju, my queen, come.
Are you loyal to your mistress?
Yes. I pledge total submission to her and loyalty. That is the most important thing.
You will have to undergo the oath of secrecy in my house. You may proceed.
Nai.
Yes.
Are you saying Ugoloma confirmed they are dead?
She didn't actually do that. But she never sounded as if they are still alive. She further compounded my confusion when she told me that she mourns with the royal family.
That's not possible.
Come. My prince, where are you going to?
Father.
Yes.
Where is my prince?
He just stormed out and didn't tell me where he was going to.
Auntie, I allowed him to.
Come! Ugo! Children of nowadays, they are very hot-blooded. All of them.
What happened? My father said you left without telling him what you're up to.
I need to face this matter squarely. It's my mother we're talking about.
I know. But what do you intend to do?
I want to go face my father. He has to tell me what happened to my mother.
My love, do you think the palace is safe for you? I mean, you are the real target of the enemy because you're the heir apparent to the throne.
If that palace is safe for my father, then it will be very safe for me. He has some explanations to make.
You have to take it easy on yourself and everyone. There's this feeling I'm having.
What feeling?
Never mind. I think my mind is playing tricks on me.
Well, I will not persuade you to tell me what it is. But I beg you, please, do not dissuade me.
I won't. Let your will be your driving force. Go.
The blood of the innocent.
Be safe.
How does it taste? The blood of the innocent. How does it taste?
Agon, where are you marching to?
I went to the house, but I didn't see you, so I suspected you might have gone to Amaka's place to see the mother.
Okay, now you have seen me. Can we go back home?
No. Not when I'm here already. I need to go there and condole with her.
That's so thoughtful of you. How about your friend, Ime?
Wait. Please, let's go back home so you can rest. The beast is busy killing people here and there. It has even killed the Lolo and her guard.
That's not possible.
It has happened though.
How? See, I am looking for that beast to kill it.
Huh? Please, let's go back home. This arrogance you inherited from our father is about to bring your legs out. I don't want to lose you. You know you're all I have.
Chioma, go to the house. Prepare something to eat, okay? Amy might be coming for something.
Let's go. Your brother is a warrior. Miss,
you know you are all I have, oh.
Amaka, come now.
Where are you headed?
His Majesty the King asked me to call on you.
To Kolonowu?
Yes, my prince.
What happened?
I don't really know, my prince. But as we are returning from the search, we saw Ugoloma the priestess coming out at the threshold of the palace.
Ugoloma came to the palace?
Yes, my prince.
This is serious. How was the search?
No trace of it.
Okay, you may go, but do make sure to see me when you're back.
food is ready. Should I serve you?
Yes, please. Bring it.
Greetings, Honorable.
Greetings. What is the problem?
His Majesty the King requested to see your presence at the palace immediately.
Majesty wants me to be with you.
Yes or no?
In his palace?
Yes or no?
Go back to his royal majesty. Tell him that when the rope of relationship is cut, it has an obvious lump, even if it is amendable. Tell him that I will not come. Mambia, go.
Father, was that the best option?
Yes, my daughter. A rat does not eat the fish kept under its care. In fact, forget about that food.
I should not serve you again?
No.
Out. Father, we need to talk.
Is that the greeting that I expect from you? By the way, where have you been?
Where do I start? Your distrust for the woman who brought me forth? Or your betrayal of a relationship with a man whose integrity you always sang to me as a song?
Mrs. Son, since yesterday I have never had a moment of peace or restful nerves. Don't add to my misery.
Father, you brought misery upon yourself and this palace. You and that glutton of a seer, whom I suspect has hoodwinked you with his charm.
How dare you vomit that rubbish from your mouth? The same seer that you accuse was attacked by that same beast a moment ago.
If that be the truth, then it marks the beginning of his doom. But whatever be the case, if I don't see my mother before tomorrow evening, by the gods, I will set this palace on fire.
Greetings, my king. Honor will sworn never to step his feet into this palace again.
He said that?
Yes, my king.
Get out.
Thank you, my king.
Is it true that the beast attacked the palace here?
Yes, so we heard.
Are you sure?
Please, that is what our source told us.
Ah, your source. That your source must be the joker of the year. No one can do that to the mighty Utobo. No one. Anyway, I just decided to hear from you.
Can I take my leave?
Ah, you can go.
Danger, 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 I see danger. Danger, evil is lurking, lurking, lurking. Evil is sprawling, sprawling.
Namaka. Hey. I'm very sorry. Don't worry.
No.
It's all right. It's all right, my dear. It's all right. I'm very sorry I have not come since I heard of what happened. That your daughter is dead. I'm very sorry. You see, I have been on the move since the menace of the evil beast. I just had little chance. I say, let me come to console you. Please, take heart, my dear. Take heart. You know?
No. I want to ask, what are the elders doing about this evil bird that's perched on our roofs? Eh? I heard it was taking the life of Lolo too. No, what is happening to us?
I don't worry. The situation will be taken care of. Ugoloma, the priestess, has a clue and solution on the menace. And by the gods, the situation will be arrested. Don't worry, my dear.
Oh no.
Yes, my dear.
Will Amaka be back? I cannot lose my only child in such a ridiculous manner. Oh no. How can she just disappear just like that? Oh no, just like that.
Just take me for my words.
Hey.
Take me for my words. Ugoloma will do something about it. Don't worry. Now, who knows if in her own case, she will be alive. I just learned there was no trace of blood in the scene, as in the case of others that were killed. Calm down, my dear. Calm down. You don't need to hurt yourself the more. Eh?
No. Chimo.
It's alright. It's alright. Let me be on my way now. Ndo?
So were it not for the curiosity of those little urchins, this woman would have sent me to an early grave, and all my dreams will go to grave. Ugoloma. Ayaka kwakwana na mbachi wabo mo. N'Enugu ukwu nwekwe n'obo anya abrokwa n'anya febuka. You are beginning to cross your bounds. You are wielding your powers that is beyond your bounds. Ugoloma. Kai chezie na akamba. Magwakwa nige no mwa. Butobo. The only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. The only mortal that has the footsteps of a tiger. If you think that the snail is stupid by moving gently on thorns, then watch me tell you why women have two holes in between their legs. When I return, we shall see.
Mother, what is the matter? Why are you weeping?
Daughter, I weep is not because I am frail, but I weep for the land. I weep for the catastrophe that looms in the air.
Mother, you are scaring me.
Such words should not proceed out of your mouth. You are the hope of Umosoro land, for the mantle of Umosoro is with you now. I will not be there, but you will be there.
Your last words scares me more.
I said enough. Enough, my daughter. We are the daughters of the water, dedicated to the waters. We flow like the current of the river. When our time comes, we flow into the mother ocean. And that is a thing of joy and not sorrow.
Mother, are you going to die?
I do not say so. That is to give way for another priestess. I do not weep for you. Rather, I am happy that my bower brought forth the white horse that will save the land. Ma, tomorrow, I will lead you through a journey to your destiny.
Uno's action is beginning to trouble me. All these things happening. The attack on Otobo. The mysterious disappearance of 2 corpses. We have a delicate pregnancy that requires dexterity in its midwifery. Who shall I run to?
Run to me! Run to me! Igwe, run to me. Huh? What kind of a king are you? That you have refused to see the reality on ground.
Are you a human being or a monitoring spirit? Why do you always bump in on me when I'm in such moods?
That is because I care about you, your health, and the entire kingdom. Since you have refused to see the judgment of the gods on your immoral wife for what it is, I should continue to monitor you before they kill you for me and make me husbandless.
Will you shut your mouth before I shut it for you?
I will not shut this mouth though. I will not shut it. Since you have been blinded by stupidity you call love, I will keep talking until you come back to your senses.
How dare you! How dare you!
Greetings, my prince.
Welcome. Were you among the search party that said they saw the two men who claimed Utobo was attacked by the wolf?
Yes, my prince.
Do you think they were telling the truth?
My prince, I believe them. But I started having doubts when Ilochi confirmed that he warded off the wolf the previous time it attacked them. But Ime, his friend, confirmed it was true.
Ilochi, the son of Agaba the hunter?
Yes, my prince.
There must be credibility in what he said. Okay, I'll have you call him for me whenever I need him.
Okay, my prince.
Here we go.
Utobo, the only mortal standing on hilltop, observing mankind. He, with the footsteps of a tiger, onye sini lomo ejuneji aga no gwadroma. Anya waziani we melu ike mwanya jiwe mwogele na abo.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. Is my prince around?
Yes, my princess.
Okay, but do you know if he's in his chambers or with the king?
No. I just finished cleaning the throne room. I guess he must be at his chambers.
Thank you. What's that your name again?
Also,
I won't forget next time.
My love, you know you shouldn't have gone to this extent.
To what extent? My love, I can swim across the ocean to bring pleasure to my hero and king in the making.
I always thank the gods that we're meant for each other.
I thank the gods also. Please eat. I know you're famished.
Okay, that reminds me. How is it now, you know?
My love, my father has been behaving strangely since he got the king's call yesterday.
And my father has not been himself since Onowu refused to come.
My love, please eat, okay? Let's not truncate our joy with their problems. I know they will solve it real soon.
My king, your meal is served in your chamber.
I have lost it for food.
I may be young, but my little advice can still be useful to the Lion of Umosoro. I think you're overreacting. If the gods decide to punish an adulterous woman, will you kill yourself because of her?
I have gotten your message. And thank you for your little advice. You may leave.
Leave to where? How can I leave when my husband has been blinded by his love for an adulterous old witch?
I said leave!
Enu wabuni fonye metalu, wabuni fonye metalu, nyaka geji kuyugo. Enu wabuni fonye metalu, wabuni fonye metalu, nyaka geji kuyugo. Onye me manelu, ejirima wekwa yugo, imbe njone nuwa, ejirima wekwa gugo. I knew you would come. I knew it.
Akreka the hurricane. You know very well that I flew from a distant land and it was a turbulent one. Won't you welcome me first before you start casting aspersions on me? Oputobo, ufuwo kenonugu na chobwe.
There is no act more noble than confronting a friend or welcoming a friend with the truth of life. You got a little power and you sped off.
Akreka, please, let us not continue to dwell on the errors of the past. Please.
You came because your powers were defied by a mere mortal, and you narrowly escaped it from the hand of Ugolo. Didn't I warn you?
Yes, you did. And I have come to the realization that when a mosquito lands on a man's testicle, that very man will learn to resolving issues without violence. I have come to complete the ritual of immortality.
Utobo, it's not as simple as it seems. You must have to sleep over. Because any person tied with the brightness of the daylight cannot be equated with the one tied with the darkness of the night. You will have to sleep over.
Akreka the hurricane.
Come kitchen.
Kutubo Gozali.
Come forward.
Ipu Kendeli.
Come forward. Konaba.
Onye. Jaganugu and the Romo. Anyakuzili ifekatali kenwanya jinu.
Utobo na bomna wayo. Enwam.
Akreka no mu. Akreka oki kule buamo.
Enwam.
Akreka no mu.
Ilochi. Ilochi.
Asandu.
Choma, where is your brother?
He just went out to see his friend Eme. This one you came to look for him. I hope there's no problem.
Not at all. The prince wants to see him for something. He wants his help.
Okay. I was scared when I saw you. You know you palace people don't come to look for us in vain.
Give your brother the message I gave to you now.
I'll do just that. This palace, you're really enjoying it too. You've added so much weight.
Choma, I'm not here for your flattering. I beg to take my leave.
Okay, I'll pass your message to my brother.
Osandu, where are you rushing from? I am coming from your place. I only met your sister Choma. My place? I hope all is well. There's no problem, Ilochi. The prince asked me to send for you. He wants you to help him out on something very important. Really? Yes. Okay, go tell the prince I'll come later. Okay, I just went out with my friend. I need to go to the house and eat. Huh? Right. Okay, alright.
Ugolama, oh, Ikesinachi, Anyanyama, if I may be gone away, Nimai, our guinea can messing away, Abangena Tanyara.
Ilochi, I called you here to confirm that you saw the mysterious beast yourself.
Yes, my prince.
You did?
Yes.
What do you think about it?
Well, nothing. I just want to see it again and kill it.
You think you can do that?
My prince, anyone can do that. Anyone with the heart of a real man. You see, my prince, that thing is an apparition. My father taught me so much about humans turning into white beasts to attack them when they go for hunting. And I've watched my father kill so many of them.
In that case, I'll come learn the art from you now that your father is no more.
Well, my prince, you don't need me. Ugoloma the priestess is there at your beck and call. She was the one that guided my dad through the whole process.
You will be my accomplice on this. But please, let no one hear about it.
My prince, I come from the lineage of great hunters. Secrecy runs in our bloodline.
Thank you.
Thank you, my prince.
You may go.
Greetings, Ono.
Greetings.
Just coming from your place, no one at home.
Is Sugoma not at home?
I saw her at the palace. Maybe she's still there. But His Royal Majesty still wants you.
Didn't Osandu tell him what I said yesterday?
Oh no. His Majesty is troubled. He specifically instructed me to come and get you, thinking I will be able to persuade you.
Ebube, you are the longest lasting guard. And of course, the chief guard. You know the enormity of the accusation leveled against me. The only way I can be exonerated from this accusation is taking the oath of innocence at Ogogo Shrine. So go back and tell him that I am waiting for the summon.
Utobo. Utobo. The only mortal standing on the hilltop watching mortal. You have dwelled overnight on this shrine of Africa. You could come on. No mortal. No mortal can hurt you in any form. There remaineth the last part of the ritual. Hold on and see what.
Agrega. William Butobo atubangu kina na zona.
Congratulations, Utobo. Go and deal with your enemies.
Nam, don't you think it will be better you go see the king and resolve this matter amicably? Remember the tie that both families have.
What ties? Which is more important? The ties or your father's reputation and life? Listen, it is out of maturity that I did not ask you to stop going to the palace or even stop Ikenna the prince from coming to this place.
Father, to that extent?
Yes, my daughter, to that extent. The king fell to Utobo's prank. He believed in him to the detriment of our aged relationship.
Maybe he wants to make amends.
What amend? No, what amend? Eh? Will that amendment bring back the late queen? Eh? No, tell me. Will it? How will I exonerate myself from this? When the death of the queen it justifies the allegation leveled against me. Listen, my dear. The solution is to take the oath. If I am guilty, let the gods judge me and possibly kill me. But if I am not, let him bear the consequences.
Onye si n'utobo deligwe udezuli bumonwu. Onye si n'utobo deligwe udezuli bumonwu. Udeludelele udezuli. My son, I called you here because I want you to go and see your father-in-law to be. I feel he's overreacting.
Father, I think both of you should resolve this matter yourselves.
How will we resolve it if he has refused to come for the resolution? Are you not aware that I have even sent the chief guard, Ebube, to call him, yet he refused to come? If he continues this way, I may be forced to move against him. After all, it's my wife, the queen, who was killed and her corpse missing. I should be the one feeling this way?
I feel his reaction is because of your response to what that your useless seer said.
My son, I don't want you calling anybody names until innocence is established. And like I said, I may be forced to take action against him if he continues this way.
Why that strange look on your face? Is the king on his throne?
Yes, he is with the prince.
Father, you're the one who is overreacting now.
How dare you, son?
What is happening here? Whatever it is that is making you to raise your voice, I plead with you to calm down because Utobo is here.
Utobo is here?
That is me.
I was told that the beast attacked you and that you had burns all over your body.
My king, Utobo can Utobo will fool you. The only mortal standing on the hilltop observing mankind. What if I get me no Okay, you're talking about the beast attack. Yes, I was attacked by a beast, but not the beast you are thinking of.
What? Is there another beast?
I was attacked by a beast that rose up to cover the crime I exposed. I am talking about Ugoloma. Ugoloma, the pervert priestess. I strongly believe she is an accomplice.
Rubbish.
Ikenna, come back here.
Igwe, don't mind him. Don't bother yourself. He will come back to his senses. By the time he sees that all the evil doers and the gods of our land are dealing with them, he will return to his senses. Igwe, if you must know, I traveled far to the land of the spirits. I am back, fully equipped, and I have unsheathed my sword for proper cleansing.
Rush to Ugoloma's house. Tell her that Utobo is at it again. And this time, he has involved her in her lies.
Okay, my prince.
She'll understand. If she's not there, go to Miramar Stream, you'll find her.
Okay, my prince.
Hurry!
Hurry, my prince.
What do you think you're doing? Are you out of your mind? Do you want us to be seen?
Walama, you are the one that have gone out of your mind because you have refused to see that we are now in charge.
What are you talking about? His Majesty must not see us or even hear you say what you've just said.
Do you know that His Majesty is now under my control? I have regained his confidence. I am in total control of his mind. In fact, he is now in my palm, so needless of this hide and seek.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You will understand by the time I am done hatching all my plans. For now, there are things I need to take care of, important issues. I'll see you later.
Where's he, man? Where is he?
My prince, what is the problem?
Stop asking me questions and tell me where he is.
He left the house this morning to go get some herbs, saying he's not feeling well.
Which farm did he go to?
I can't say for sure, but what is the matter?
Can you at least recall the farm he gets his herbs from?
Yes, I remember our farm at Iyakwa.
Okay. Now you go to Ugoloma's house on Mirima Stream while I go for him.
No! I am going with you since you refuse to tell me what the matter is.
I should have known that you are the viper behind the mask. But today, you will be unmasked.
Who will give you the opportunity to do that?
Opportunity? I don't need any opportunity. Because I know I have the knowledge of neutralizing your venom.
No. If you are banking on that elusive confidence given to you by that evil woman called Ugoloma, I tell you, you lie! When the animal learns the strategy of a hunter, the hunter employs a different strategy of shooting skills. You know that very well.
Let us see who is the hunter and who the animal is.
This is the voice of a dead man. You dare Utobo, no. The only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. No one yes in the long way to Naija no guadroma. Utobo ya kusurie no nyama utobo wonya mali ve bataloga na bochu de mikawanya. Oh yeah, Melena Reno diga kamfego pana chereja. Hey!
My love, let us go. It's not safe here, okay? Let's leave here now.
Oh no! I'm not going anywhere. Let the beast come and kill me as well.
Stop being irrational. How would that solve anything? Let's leave here now. It's not safe.
No! I'm not.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Let us go now.
Let the beast come and kill me. Father!
Let's go. Let's go. Just get up. Let's leave here. It's not safe. Let's go.
Hey, I said it.
Eh? What is it again? Igwe. Hey! Igwe. Onowu. The beast has finally killed Onowu. I said it, Igwe. Onye si n'ilo ọmụ eju na-eji aga n'ogwu adịrọ mma. Anyị agwa ihe kpata ike nwa ya ji wee nwe oghere na-abọ. It has happened.
Father! What is it? Father, the beast has killed Onowu. What? Yes, but we didn't see his body. We only saw his cutlass and his chieftaincy cap.
What's going on? I saw his corpse. Yes.
You passed by his farm? Utobo, why are you always the one who sees their dead bodies?
My prince, what are you trying to get at? Eh? Please. My business always takes me to either the farmlands or the bush parts. Eh? Igwe, please, let us now allow argument to distract us. What just happened? I smell a rat. I need to get to Ugoloma's house. I must be in her place.
I'm going with you. Again now, you will not think of that. Let the cats go with you.
No, Igwe. Let us play safe. We are talking about spiritual fight here. Don't expose him to danger. I need to get there fast.
But I insist I go with you. No.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
What? Ogini. Onye.
What is it? Your Majesty. What is the excitement all about? It's happening, no. Nemesis have caught up with your enemies. What are you talking about? Your Majesty, the mysterious beast has finally killed you, no. Are you sure of what you're saying? Yes. The palace here just brought the formation.
I knew it. I said it. That Nemesis will soon catch up with all of them. One by one. Utobo. Ekweme. Ofonye kunugu neche oboya. The only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. That is it. Go back to your duty. But open your eyes. Anything that happens, rush, hurry, come and tell me. Okay, Mama, yes.
Ugoloma! Come out here! Come out here, Ugoloma! Ugoloma! Ugoloma!
And who is that mad dog shouting the name of the priestess of Miriam without respect?
Who is this little rat? Kanzeiwem, let me pardon your ignorance because you are a little child. Where is your mother?
What business do you have with my mother?
What an affront! You are growing wings! I am going to clip off those wings from you if you have learned not to respect people. Where is your mother, Ugoloma, I ask?
If you have any information from my mother, you can give it to me and keep your empty stress to yourself.
Nkete, you little rat, dare me. Utobo. Emukwanya. Mubu utobo fonye kunugune chendogwe. Asekwana adaka na enwe bofu. Mana enwe wala obale ya. Okwa utobo na ewu. Maka no utobo na agbo enwe na eri enwe. Maka na mala ebe enwe ba anu. Mala ebe enwe ba anu anu se. I am going to deal with you, you little rat. Honestly, me long way to the jack and no quadramwa. But see you have a tally come on at you. Just really happened? That little mouse? Mama. When in your belly top on Utobo from your no legend of where Utobo Malapago. Ma wasn't here, America, Mana, Jiwe, more than a My prince.
How did it go?
My prince, I'm afraid it was only my son in the house, and she sounded very strange.
What?
What
My
is
love,
it?
please, wait inside. I'll see you later.
Why?
I need to be at Masinachi's house now. That strange beast has gone there.
No, we shall go there together. Whatever happens should happen to both of us.
You cannot.
What kind of person are you? In the midst of all this tension and crisis in the land, all you can think about is how to lay with me
What is
this
wrong
hot
with it?
afternoon.
What is wrong with it? Are you not my husband?
So?
And what crisis are you even talking about? That Nemesis is catching up with these evil people.
It's like I can't understand.
This is even the best time for that.
I can't understand you. Oh, leave me alone. What's all this?
Eh? I won't leave you alone, no. Because you must perform your conjugal duty. It's a must.
Okay, I promise.
Promise what?
It's too hot, I promise. Later tonight.
Tonight?
Yes.
You promise?
I promise.
Don't give me excuses, so.
No, not at all.
You must, though.
I must.
Don't try me, oh. Don't try me, oh. Tonight, now. I will come. Give me excuses, you will see. Let's see. Oh, now that I'm in the mood, I'm even in the mood. Eh?
I just promised tonight.
My love! My love, what is even wrong with us? We're going for one's rescue and we don't even have a machete.
Do you think we need a machete? This is a spiritual war.
I know, my love. There's this neck bead my father says I should always wear whenever I'm going out. I forgot it at home. Let's go back and pick it.
Neck bead.
Yes.
Why didn't he wear it when he was going out this morning?
I can't answer that. I can't. Let's just go and pick them in case his own is still at home. My love, let's go.
Okay, let's hurry. Let's hurry, please.
No. Utobo will not take this. I can't take this. Utobo, the only mortal that is on top of the hill observing mankind. The only mortal with the footsteps of a tiger. No. I can't go and watch you. No. Ude lele, ude zulibo, ayemene ibom. Okutobo, okutobo. Kambaziania, ibe meleni kamanya mwelolele na.
Where are you running to? Remember, one does not run away from his refuge.
Ma, we were on our way to your house to protect you from Utobo.
Yes.
You have seen that Masinachi has graduated from a dancer to something else. Thanks for your noble desire. But know it that it is Mma that will save you from renegade Utobo. Ugo,
yeah?
You may go inside and bring the pigs you came for. Why the reactions? Has it not been your constant desire for me? Hand one over to the prince. You go should hold it out.
Huh? Okay.
Utobo has gone to fortify himself again. This is not effective enough to ward him off. Now, it can ward off the beast. Wear it everywhere you are. Though, I have sealed this compound. You will never come in again. Never.
You mean Utobo is the beast?
Did you hear me say that? I'm done with you.
Ma! Masnad!
What's your problem now? You promised me.
I don't know what is happening to me.
What's the meaning of that?
I can't register erection anymore. My body is dead.
Wrong with you? We were almost caught and you're here, acting as if nothing happened.
What would have happened? Utobo is in charge. You should not be afraid. I am in charge.
You know what? Leave.
What did you just say?
You have to go now before things get worse.
You are talking to Utobo. Are you actually asking me to leave your chamber?
That is exactly what I am doing. Leave? Do you want me to scream? Should I? The spike of the porcupine should not deceive it to challenge a leopard to a fight. That your proverb will not save you from the impending calamity that awaits you. Even your toothless husband cannot prevent that.
You may think you have succeeded, but you cannot fool the gods.
The gods have taken sides. That is why someone has been indoors wetting the entire floor with her tears.
We shall see who laughs last.
There's no point waiting for the last laugh, because the gods have judged you. Banishment awaits you.
Don't do that again. It's only the evil that runs when nothing pursues it. I sense quietness. The palace is ostensibly quiet today. I'm sure you are glad about that.
No, not exactly. Princess of Miriama, no.
Really?
Yes.
I thought you would prefer the serenity. Go ahead to where you were going. Mana Matakwa! Okuko Nuaro and Achube also. It's when they found fact that the ground pursues it.
Action is beginning to trouble me. All these things happening. The attack on October. The mysterious disappearance of 2 corpses. We have a delicate pregnancy that requires dexterity in its midwifery. Who shall I run to?
Run to me! Run to me! He will run to me. Huh? What kind of a king? That you have refused to see the reality on ground.
Are you a human being or a meteorite? Why do you always bump in on me when I'm in such moods?
That is because I care about you, your health, and the entire kingdom. Since you have refused to see the judgment of the gods on your immoral wife for what it is, I should continue to monitor you before they kill you for me and make me husbandless.
Will you shut your mouth before I shut it?
I will not shut this mouth up. I will not shut it. Since you have been blinded by stupidity you call love, I will keep talking until you come back to your senses.
How dare you! Okay.
What's your problem? You promised me.
I don't know what is happening to me.
What's the meaning of that?
I can't register erection anymore. My body is dead.
What do you think you're doing? Are you out of your mind? Do you
you want us to be seeing?
Palama, you are the one that has gone out of your mind because you have refused to see that we are now in charge.
What are you talking about? His Majesty must not see us or even hear you say what you've just said.
Do you know that His Majesty is now under my control? I have regained his confidence. I am in total control of his mind. In fact, he is now in my palm, so needless of this hide and seek.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You will understand by the time I am done hatching all my plans. For now, there are things I need to take care of, important issues. I'll see you later.
Ebube, my king. You will go to the Palacia's place and call him. Then send somebody to Goloma's place and ask her to see me as well. I must see to the end of this madness today.
My king, I was told Ogoloma is not reachable. Osondu said the prince has sent him to her. But when he got there, he met a daughter that claims her mother cannot be seen.
What's the meaning of that nonsense? Could this confirm Utobo's words that she has a hand in this? Anyway, that reminds me. He was supposed to have gone for her yesterday, but he didn't come back with any report.
I wouldn't know, my king.
Then go to him fast. Tell him to come and see me immediately. Okay? He's the only one who can solve all the riddles in this palace these past days. Go.
She's in the land, everyone is around it, wandering and panting.
Wise one. Greetings, wise one.
Chief Guard, you met me well. Come and join me.
Greeting, wise one. A slave doesn't tell proverbs. There is urgency in the palace that requires your presence, and His Royal Majesty said you should come with me. Yes.
Okay. I'll be there soon. But you can see I'm doing justice to this food. So tell His Majesty that I'll come and join. And I actually have some other things to accomplish today. I need to come up well.
Alright, please, don't delay.
Got on and job, it got on and job, it got on a jiffy. Oh, boom, I do it got on and job, it got on and job.
Your Majesty, you have gone through enough stress these days. That alone can make a man to be impotent. It's not exactly what I am saying. I think you deserve some rest.
Utobo, you know I am not a child. I know what I feel. Anyway, I'll do as you said. But what about the other issue you mentioned? What is the outcome?
Oh, Your Majesty, what do you expect? When a child raises his father up, that child either turns blind or will become a dwarf automatically.
That's true.
She eloped. She eloped and abandoned that her little mouse alone in the house. Your Majesty, does such an act reveal a true servant of the gods?
Otuba, are you sure of what you just said? So what do we do now?
Yeah. Your Majesty, leave that to me. Your Majesty, by the time I am done with her, she will come publicly and confess. And when the gods begin to deal with her, it will be according to our own dictates. But for now, you deserve some rest.
That's true.
Your Majesty, and you know where you're so.
You have done well.
Don't bother yourself. No, Utobo. Utobo never could hear. Only a quere and your petelia. Only a quere and your we are only a quere when you tell.
Utobo, you just told me I deserve some rest.
Hey, you can
rest.
Okay, you go. Was this not part of our plan? We planned that I should make his manhood to stop working. Was it not what we planned earlier?
The way you're going about the whole thing will make our entire plan suspicious.
I don't care. I don't care what anybody feels about this. I don't care who suspects what. Can't you understand that we are running out of time? I have strategically and systematically removed every of our major obstacles. The king, Igwe, is dying slowly and you know it. Then as for his son, the prince, I am going to make sure I kill that senseless boy. You know what? I cannot let you bear him a son. That I will not tolerate, because it is going to ruin every of my plan. Yes, you can't take him for him. That is why I have to maintain what I have done.
All you know is yourself. You don't even consider other people's feelings.
How do you mean that I don't consider other people's feelings? Have you forgotten that I am the one that maneuvered you into this very palace? You are now the queen. I made you the queen in this palace. Are you not enjoying the accolades? No, answer me. Are you not enjoying the accolades? Every of my plan is to ascend the throne with you. Yes, as my queen. And I must achieve that. Listen, you really need to come and give this to me. Let me perform that which the king cannot practically do now.
Not today.
Ichi. Tomorrow. Are you sure?
Go fast now.
Obumadu igatonanja. The blood of the innocent. How does it taste? The blood of the innocent. How does it taste? Igatonanja. Igatona jife. Awa barakamja. Igatonanja. Umadu igatona jife. Oh.
Olama. Hey! Hey! Allo! Utobo! Utobo! Yeah. Hey, you! My prince! Mother! Mother!
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
The
blood of the innocent. How does it taste? The blood of the innocent. How does it taste?
After all I had done for you. You! What a shame.
In the absence of goodwill and determination, evil tribe. The land that used to be so peaceful, loving and kind to its people.
Amaka is your daughter. Now my life.
Why are you crying?
The beast has killed Amaka. Hey, Chibo. What am I going to tell her mother?
Sure of what you're saying?
Yes. Amaka was running right behind me when the beast cut off with her. I turned but sped off almost immediately.
Angolika, you don't have to feel that way. It is not your fault.
I was the one that convinced Amaka to follow us to the stream.
And what kind of wild animal is that? I have never seen or heard of it.
It looks like a bush dog. But he has 2 heads.
Amaka.
Here. Yes, but
I'm surprised that.
Hey, Angole, Namaka, What do you say white beast killed my daughter now? Eh? How can you joke with a thing of that magnitude? Eh?
We're running in front. It was Angole and Amaka that were behind. She's the one that said the white beast. I didn't see any.
Of course I saw it on her. But there's no sign of blood here now. Can't you see the marks? Can't you see the marks of the struggling on the ground? No sign of blood. Amaka, believe me. Because I know. I saw it on her. Believe me. What have you done to my daughter? I didn't do anything to her. She's my friend. I cannot do anything to my own friend. Hey! Chima! It's my daughter!
That was how Ugoloma saved me.
Hey, what's up our land? Where have you been since?
Hey!
Honestly.
That is secret for the gods.
May the name of the gods be praised.
Hey.
My daughter, please, go to the backyard and take your bath. Let me prepare something for you to eat. Eh?
Where is Ibere?
She came to my house, but she said you want to go and call before me. Okay. Oh yeah, go.
Welcome.
Go. Welcome.
Hey! Chukwu Okikabia. Ugoloma! May the gods of our land bless you. May the gods of our land bless you.
Evil is lurking. Evil is crawling.
How dare you lay your filthy hands on me, you adulterous woman?
Out of my way, you grave destined glutton. I will do that again if you remain on my path.
You dare me, Utobo, the only mortal on the hilltop, observing mankind. We shall see who is grave destined. Onye sini lomo ejuneji aga no gwadroma. Anya gwa ire merike mwanya jimuogere nabo.
Mother! Yes? What happened to you, mother? Talk to me, please. Mother! Mother! Somebody help me! Mother, no, you... Mother! Where's around?
Your Majesty, Igwe, Your Majesty, Your Majesty.
What is it?
Your Majesty. It's Her Majesty.
What happened to her? What did she do again?
She did nothing. But Igwe, something terrible happened to Her Majesty.
What?
The beast that appears in your dream appeared in the physical and devoured her.
What?
I saw her corpse on my way going home.
Where?
Father! Father, we need to go help mother. She's lying helpless.
I said it. I saw her corpse, Igwe.
Whose corpse? She's not dead. I met her alive.
Is she still alive?
Hey, Utobo, cut off all this rubbish, Utobo. Let's go to the palace.
Let's go. I saw her here, I'm sure.
This is exactly where I met her corpse.
Can someone tell me exactly what is going on here?
Father, I saw mother lying on this floor, gasping for breath. I ran towards her, took her in my hands. You can see the blood on the floor. Where will she come out of the palace unaccompanied by any guard?
My prince, she left with Chikwado, her guards, her personal guard.
Then why is he not here? Why didn't he come back to report? Now, take some other guys and go and look for them everywhere. Search everywhere. Look for Chikwado. And then send someone to get me the town crier. Quickly. Follow me.
Mother.
People of Umosora, I greet you. You will agree with me that these past few days have been very trying moments for us in Umosora Kingdom. But thanks to our ancestors, we got the victory.
Yeah.
And then we are celebrating today the union of my son, Prince Ikenna, and Ugo, who is now a princess. And by the powers conferred on me by the gods of Umosoro land, I hereby declare that your marriage will be fruitful.
Ise.
May the gods bless you on Ekede.
Ise.
Bless you on Nkwode.
Ise.
Bless you on Afode.
Ise.
And bless you on Oriade. Our ancestors will bless you with male children. Bless you with female children. And you shall live happily ever after.
Yeah.
I hereby declare you husband and wife.
Let
the music begin.
Ikesinachi, anyenyama.